We're going to connect the power leads and the connector up for our battery, giving all the power to our quad. So I'm using 16 gauge wire. This is cut to 75 millimeters in length, so you can go ahead and cut those up. Then some of our paracord, which we're actually going to sheath each power wire in, that's cut to 70 mils in length. You can just go ahead and pull the cord out the center there. And I'm going to use an XT60 connector for this build. So you can go ahead and just tin up the ends of our wire. Got the soldering iron set to 425. Okay, that's done. Okay, those are done. Get this XT60 done. Get the other side nice and turned up. Okay, now let's get the wires onto our XT60. So I just use a shifting spanner, get that stuff out the way. I use a shifting spanner just to hold it in place while we're soldering. One of the biggest problems I find when soldering things is not being comfortable. If you're not comfortable actually getting the job done, you're going to battle. So a little bit of solder on the tip of our soldering iron. Just bring those together and done. So flip that over. Clean the tip on the soldering iron again. Little bit of solder just to conduct the heat through. Bring all three of those together. And done. Okay, now that we've got our power lead and power plug connected up here, what I'm going to do is go ahead and slide the paracord sheath over here. Like this. Again, probably not necessary, but I like to do it anyway. So what I do, slide that up to there, just shy of the plug, so that we can still get the heat shrink over it. So we can now take our two little pieces of heat shrink, probably about 10 mils or so long, slide that over, do the same with the other side. You'll see obviously when it gets down here, it's too big to actually go in the plug itself. So what you can do is just, if you've got a hot air station, that'll do the trick. But what we can also do is just heat this up with the tip of our soldering iron, just to get this to go into the plug itself. Dab that down. Nice and snug. Second one in. Alright, cool. So now those are in. Take your lighter, heat those up. Just remember, if you're heating this up with a lighter, the edge of this plug will burn, and this paracord is guaranteed to go up in flames. So just be careful, make sure that you get the flame through the center of these strips of heat shrink, else you are going to set stuff on fire. That's our XT60 power lead done.